Boom! Wow, good grief. Bitcoin has hit 89,000. So it's been pretty good. So it's great for us crypto guys. And yeah, and what a journey it's been from 2012. And I've been very lucky. I've been in it since 2014. So I've had a good decade of it, really, a good decade. But it hasn't been, clear cut. I remember, obviously, I remember a few years ago, they went from 17,000 right down to 3,500, and that was over about 5 or 6 years ago. So it just shows how volatile it is. Comes down, so 2 or 3 grand, it certainly goes up that 3 or 4 grand. So it's very volatile. But meanwhile, I'm doing this video. I've been involved with a company called icoinpro for over a year now. It's going very well, and all I'm doing now is trading every day, and I'm using the portal which is built into the icoinpro. Very useful bit of kit, I must admit. It's a portal for buying your dips online, obviously with the crypto exchanges. Because I know for a fact when I started doing trading a few years ago, it was an absolutely nightmare trying to find the best ways to find the dip. And I was going through, exchanges and trying to find the best way to jump in dips and all that. And unfortunately, it was at the high. It was right at the top. It was overbought, So, and every now and then I was going to get the middle and we'll kind of oversold. Great if it's oversold because then you can actually put a trade in, but trying to get your decent trades in really hard. But with icoinpro, it's made it very easy. It's a good portal and it's working, and every 10 or 15 minutes we're notified with trade finder, and it finds the trades for us, which is dipped. So it's quite good. And I'll give you an example. Say if I go to Trade Finder here, oops, that's what I'm in Trade Finder. This is the portal for icoinpro. I'm looking at good coins here. There's one here at Binance. The current low to SMA is 5.89%. That's a pretty good volume, actually. That's the volume of the coin. So I'll give you an example. If I click on that and I go to chart, it will appear up here. Okay, just dogs. And let's have a look. So the volume is 5.89%. So, for example, what it's trying to say is, let me just double check it so you can understand. If I click on that, and I'll get my measure out. I just want to measure the the Bollinger Band to the middle SMA, and that is, it's 5.44%. That's good return on investment if you get a good trade in. If it goes up the top, you're talking about 10%. And in fact, let me just double check that actually for this video's sake. Let's have a look. So if that went up to, say, for example, from the bottom Bollinger Band to the top Bollinger Band, it'd be just over 10%. So that's not a bad return on investment there, guys. That's if the coin goes up. Hey, but normally it goes up to the middle SMA. And how I do this, I ladder buy. But that's all in the video. If you want to become a member, just sign up. It's a free membership. But how I gauge this, for example, that's a massive dip. Okay, so I look at it's dipped. I don't jump in straight away. I actually analyze it first. But within the free boot camp we have within icoinpro, it teaches the strategy of the 1, 2, 3 money strategy, which is the dip strategy. You learn that when you actually become a free member. Okay, so for example, I'll look at this coin and say, okay, I don't want to be tied to the screen all day. I don't want to be on the charts all day. So how I do this is I put like an alert in, and there's a beauty about the portal. You can put alert in on the phone. You can actually put it on your laptop or your computer or whatever you're doing, and it will notify you on your phone, which is actually really handy, especially when you go out if you're doing things. To do a DIY store, or perhaps you're going out for a meal, or going to the pub or wherever, or a restaurant. Ideal for that. So for example, let's put an alert in. So there's a chart there. I'm looking at dog, okay, dog coin, paired up with USDT. Okay, so I'm going to put alert in. So if I just scroll my mouse over there, and I'm going to put alert, and I know for a fact that's the first dip. So I'm going to give myself a notification on the second dip, and it'll alert me, okay, on my telephone, on my mobile. Okay, and then what I do, once I go to the second dip, I wait, and then once it goes right down again, I'll put a trade in on the second dip, mainly on the third dip, or sometimes a second dip. If I do it on the second dip, I ladder buy. If it goes down any further, I'll put some more funds in it. But really, you can actually do a third dip. That's the safest way. But you'll learn that in the free boot camp. Let's pick another coin. Let's have a look. Here we go. ZEC USDT paired up with ZEC. Okay. So if I click on that, click into the charts, Zcoin or Zcoin, isn't it? It's ZEC USDT. I always get mixed up with. No, it doesn't matter. If I go charts, okay, and screen will pop up, and same thing. It's right down there. I'll wait, and I'll put an alarm, okay, and I'll say second dip, okay, and that'll do me. But the beauty about the actual portal, it's got a built-in trading view account here. I have got a full Premier trading account. Very good company, love them to bits. But now I'm paying roughly about, say, 30 euros a month. And now having this platform here, I don't really need the trading view portal anymore. I can just use this. It's going to save me a few bucks, you know. And the beauty about this, it's got everything here. It's everything all built in. When you actually have this, it's all the settings are done for you. You know, that's the beauty about it, guys. You know. But anyway, if you're interested in coming in and finding out, you do get a free boot camp on YouTube, in the platform when you sign up for free. Please watch the boot camp. It's important. It teaches you the 1, 2, 3 money strategy. Okay. And what to look for. So you're going to get this for free, guys. There is a free account, obviously, but you can become a paid member. Paid members, you get this portal. Okay, very, very, very affordable. You have to go for the boot camp and please watch the videos. Okay, please do not be lazy, but just watch the videos, and then, guys, this will change your life. Because in the day, guys, you are in control of your own funds, yeah? Not the company, you are. You own your coins, you're trading, you're learning a skill. You're learning a mindset. You're learning a mindset, how to trade and how to be safe trading, you know? And that's what it is. That's what it's for. It's teaching you how to be safe, how to trade. I know crypto is all risky, blah, 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 but it's teaching you how to be safer. Okay, that's the beauty about this company. Yeah, it teaches you how to trade safely without losing the shirt on your back, because crypto is very, very volatile, as you know. But this teaches you how to put stop losses in and blah 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 and RSI and Bollinger Bands. It's broken down so easily with our boot camp, and we do have testimonials with the company. People love it, and we do have lots and lots of tutorials as well of ladder buying, RSI, MACD, blah, blah, blah. It's all explained to you. And we have a forum as well. Everybody's talking about the coins, what to look for. And, you know, it's a very, very good and professional platform, guys. But meanwhile, have a great day. And thank you very, very much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And also subscribe to my channel. Yeah. And that'd be great. That'd be really, really nice. And also leave a comment on my YouTube channel. And also, you can either contact me on Facebook, Instagram, oh, good grief, Telegram, everywhere, you know. But mainly, you can just write a comment and contact me through YouTube. Anyway, guys, have a great day. My name's Matt Feast, and happy days. Be safe. Catch you later.